Hi, this is Mark from Right Line Trading. Today is June 4th, 2014, and I wanted to review our trades with you today. Today, we've gone 11 trades in a row without taking a full loss, and the market's not going to let that continue. And it did so in fine fashion today by handing me a knock upside the head twice. And I'll show you the two losers I took. They're the first two trades of the day. Perfect break of the 50. Retracement right back to the modified 15. Background bias green, order flow, stochastic, and momentum with the candle. Goes one tick and collapses into a heap. Makes a nice retracement right back to the modified 15. Get 6 ticks of selling pressure. This low pivot had not yet formed. And the trade went 10 ticks against me. So I started off the morning with two losers on 4 contracts each, minus $800. Next trade, another retracement trade. Obviously, I was not too happy, to put it mildly. You never like to trade out of a hole, but I have a lot of confidence in our signals. Waited again. There was the move up. The retracement. Good for 14 ticks. Now, the first two trades of the morning were losers. And then the second trade, the third trade, was that 14 tick winner on the Russell. Now on crude, was yesterday. Today, we had this break above. Tracement right back into the modified 15. Background bias was green. A lot of buying pressure. I love the fact that this candle came right off of the modified 15. It was very tight to the pivot, but I felt that the risk was worth taking, and it went for 22 ticks. Then we had a perfect break of the 50 to the downside. The 15 was down, the 50 was red. Candle was outlined in order flow, stochastic, and momentum. Down for 11 ticks. Now I entered a trade here short, but the market was just lollygagging around. It went a couple of ticks, came back a couple of ticks. I closed the trade, and it never came and stopped us out. And then went 67 ticks. I mean, there's nothing you can do about that. In fact, my decision, I think, to close the trade was a really good one. The modified 15 went yellow. This trade could have just as easily broken back above the 50 and stopped us out. There's no way of knowing when you're trading the right edge that this thing is going to all of a sudden collapse 67 ticks. Actually, it didn't go quite 67 ticks, because I believe this is where I believe it would have been stopped out right here on this pullback. It's really irrelevant. It was a huge trade. Well, 54 ticks, so I just closed it at break even. So we got 22 and 11 on crude. And then on gold was good to us. Out of a very choppy market, we got this first retracement. Down. Came up. Pushed down 5, first target. Came back to stop us out. Re-entry. Down for 26. So we closed out with 5 winners in a row. 4 of them were second targets. And we really turned the day around just by continuing to take the signals. We know they're going to work. We know this is a very, very, I have a tremendous confidence in the system. So we had 7 trades today. We had 5 winners and 2 losers. And the 2 losers were the first 2 trades of the day. On the TF, we had plus 14. Then the 2 losers, minus 10, minus 10. On crude, plus 22, plus 11. On gold, plus 5, plus 26. Net ticks 58. Still pounded out a net equity of 500. Auto Trader took 1 trade. I'll show you exactly where it was. It was... Oh, here it was. Here. Now there was an AT here. In playing around with my platform, I turned the Auto Trader off, but there was an AT right here. Auto Trader entry took this 26 tick short. So it had a second target win, and net equity is not 200, net equity is 300. We're trading 4 contracts this month on the Auto Trader, not 3. So first target win is $300. So we wound up closing out the day really, really nicely. Again, you get a little bit of a drawdown. We gave back $800 to the market. Wound up closing out up 500. Now this does not include commissions. We're pushing into $2,000 for the week, and we look to close Thursday and Friday on a really, really strong note. We had a huge number of people in the room today. I mean, we were packed, and I'm really happy to see all the people in the room. We're rolling out our direct entry software on Monday, where I put the trades into your trader for you on the execution. So please come in and sign up for a free trial to our live trading room. Go to www.rightlinetrading.com. There's a link to our net equity on a daily basis in the live trading room, a link to our net equity for the Auto Trader on a daily basis. There's also a link to sign up for our trading room. You can email us at info@rightlinetrading.com, and please, we're here all day. We're available to answer questions at 1-855-765-6681. We did the online Trader Central webinar yesterday. We had over 200 people in the room. The webinar is recorded. We will post it to our website. It is live on our YouTube channel at rightlinetrading.com. I look forward to seeing you in the room tomorrow. Have a great, great afternoon. Bye-bye.